Right, there are two buttons on the dashboard. It's only on the new Daily. The older models don't have that one. It's a very convenient button to switch most of the electrical stuff off while storing, for example. So if you push the button, you will cut a lot of electricity out from the cab part. It is not connected to the camper or the house batteries. So it only will cut power to the cab part, the car part. It's very simple. As you can see, the system is working at the moment, no problem. Switch ignition back off again and I push the button. The little light does go on to show you, give you a visual indication that you have pushed the button. So the light does go off after a while, so you need to wait for that light to remove off before the system is working. At the moment the ignition will still go on and off. So once that light is off, like it is right now, now the system's dead. Nothing. You can't start the car, you can't do the radio, nothing. So it's possible when you get into a situation where you put ignition on and everything's dead, it's nothing. It might not always be the battery is flat, it might just be that that button has been pushed. Very simple. Only thing you need to do is push the on button and everything's back on again. So it's very convenient, like I said. So it's on and off. So always when you see there's nothing on the dashboard, first thing you do is just try that.